Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find band settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and now here you will find band settings. As you see, you will find all informations about your band settings, and that's it. That's how to find band settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.